Hey there, fellow lighting friends! Light and architecture are often in harmony, and they seek to elevate one another to create the best human experience. Many times, light mimics architecture by using sleek, linear lines of light that can complement the physical lines within the space. Today, we have the 35 Linear by Zanin Architectural on hand, and here is what you need to know. The 35 Linear by Zanin Architectural is a suspended and semi-surface system that can be mounted individually or connected into straight, linear rows both horizontally and or vertically, and has a number of unlit corner adapters that allows the designer to create different patterns within the space. In addition to the fixture mounting flexibility, the 35 Linear provides the designer with options to control the direct and indirect components separately through dimming and or switching. And additionally, the system provides the option to seamlessly integrate directional spotlights to achieve a fully modular system with both ambient and direct light. The configuration options with the 35 Linear are nearly limitless and provide flexibility for a wide range of applications, perfect for retail, hospitality, and office spaces, just to name a few. The 35 Linear product has a remarkably small form factor and does a great job of controlling the light and minimizing glare with either a polycarbonate opal diffuser or a smoke diffuser, which is atmospheric when turned on and attractive when turned off. The illuminated compartments are physically separated by a thin and sleek line of aluminum that is not only complementary to the fixture, but further symbolizes the destined relationship between light and architecture. To learn more, search for the 35 Linear product by Zanin within the Lighting Exchange. Head over to the Zanin website at zanin.com and search through their architectural division, or chat with your local lighting agent and get your hands on a physical sample.